entered an enemy-controlled area. Leave now.
Shut up!
Oh shit, nice man.
Get around this.
Smoke dead. I literally just took over their mirror.
Oh my fucking god! Why? What the fuck is this? What is this fucking game? What are these fucking servers?
Please don't have a Jaeger's lit, Jaeger's lit. Nice.
Mirror done.
Bandit's downstairs. Not downstairs. He's below the top.
Smoke dead, smoke dead.
Dead. Oh my fucking
Wait, drone around.
But you're dead. Let's go. Yo, I just gotta.
I don't know.
Must recover the diffuser.
I'm in electric.
We have a mirror window as well, dude.
Mirror dead.
Someone take the fuser.
Oh, smoke. Smoke injured. Smoke injured. Last one. Ella Hall. Let's go.
Back on top. Oh,
That's retro.
my bad, man. You're good. My bad. I killed both touchdowns, by the way. Bottom of white.
Reloading!
Your strat.
I'm out.
Fuck, bomb. I'm pushing you guys. Hey, Ash.
Panda dead. Your strat, baby.
Plant's going down.
Your strat.
Diffuser is no longer in your
Some
possession.
bitch below in your
The
strat.
diffuser is now
Fucking
secured.
mirror below. Just grab plant on bed.
Yeah, it's so stuck to it. Strat falls to shit. This is dead.
Bomb diffusion initiated. Protect the diffuser.
Yeah, mirror's literally trapped.
Your strat. Fucking ace.
Op 4
dead.
eliminated.
Ash dead. Main stairs.
Half health.
Oh wait, no,
Actually, no CC.
No, CC Ryan, CC.
Okay.
15 seconds left.
Yes!
Big tower dead.
Checking white.
Twitch dead.
Nice. Ash lit below white. Half.
Where's Anotha?
Yeah, Ash lower white.
Shell out!
By connector window, I'm pretty sure.
15 seconds.
Yeah, one's gonna go connector window.
Planting.
One plant.
Dead.
Located a bomb. Protect it.
That's an ace.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission success.
Ying dead.
Good shit.
There's
Full
Thatcher up
flash.
there as well. Thatcher's us.
Is there one in meeting, Joker?
Kids.
Nah, I'm in meeting, bro.
Kids.
I know.
Oh wait.
Havana dead.
There's one left.
Good
Kids.
shit.
Thatcher dead.
Nice. Good shit.
I'm watching.
I'm in workshop. Smoke dead.
Located a bomb.
Okay, I'm planting. Alright, I'm watching.
I got stairs.
Diffuser is active.
They're getting. They got stock hatch.
Nope. I stopped it. Thermite dead. I have carrier.
Nice.
Oh shit. Alright, then what else did they open?
Ash dead.
Planting. Archie.
One friendly operator remaining.
Is that the plant?
Oh, I mean, you can just watch the moto hatch. Oh, he's downed in blue. He's gonna go pick up his teammate then.
Picking up.
Last operator standing. Op 4
Oh, yo! Look at this shot.
Yeah, go for it.
Fuck it.
Area.
Yo, I can, what's it called? Hot breach. I can hot breach. Okay, or I can do that.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm dead. Kamado, he wall back.
Got the bottom
15 seconds.
for a wall back.
Op 4, last operator standing.
No, that's a dead body.
Fuck Blackbeard!
I can only see some of the game.
Why would you? I'm pre-firing this and you walk right in
I
front
have a
of me.
glass, I have a glass.
Sorry.
Alright.
Okay.
Nice kill.
Alright, good kill.
Another one dropped.
Where are they dropping all?
Blue. Or garage, like, garage ladder.
You will be detected if you remain in this area.
Once, yeah, stop.
Yeah.
One Op 4 remaining.
I think I'm on the A's. No, never mind, I'm on
If you
a
No,
remain
I
in this
gotta
zone,
see
you
it.
will be detected by hostiles.
Nice.
Op 4 eliminated.
Ban the suppressor from now on. So much better. Oh fuck.
Okay, I'm just gonna hold on to this.
God damn it.
I'm in sight, I'm in workshop, mirror dead. Smoke dead.
Reloading.
I
Still upstairs?
still have workshop.
You will be detected if you remain in this area.
Am I dead? Sophia dead. Carrier outside on ledge.
Setting up. Deploying barbed wire.
What? Wait, watch the replay. Watch the replay, Squirrel. Squirrel, watch the fucking replay. What?
No time to
How rude.
What?
10 seconds
I
remaining.
just like.
it, banned.
What?
5 seconds and counting.
I think I'm putting that in my montage.